Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send bulk emails using Brevo. So first is foremost, you just have to simply create an account here in Brevo. You can go to any web browser and then sign up your account. You can create an account using your Google account, your Gmail, your password. And once you have your account, then it would be easier for you to simply send bulk emails and other features here on Brevo. You can go to automation to see more features that you can use. But basically, if you want to send bulk emails, then go to the left side and then look for marketing. So once you tap on this marketing right here, you can see create a campaign. You need to tap on create a campaign right here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to basically look for your contacts. So here, tap on email. And then after that, you have to simply create the name of your campaign right here. Once you have added, then all you have to do is tap on create campaign. After that, you will see this. So basically, this is where you're going to create or send bulk emails. All you have to do is to create the contact, or you have to create a folder where you can add all your contacts. Let's just say if you have contacts from your company, contacts from your friends, contacts from your teammates, and so on. You have to create subfolders right here. Add their contacts so it would be easier for you to simply select, because all you need to do is tap the folder, or you can also do it manually by adding their contacts. So basically, once you have added context or email address right here, and then you can create your message, your subject, description, and everything. So once you have set up here, and then you can basically create or tap the schedule and schedule the sending, or you can tap on preview before sending. So basically, that's how easy it is to send bulk emails using Brevo. Just go to marketing, create a campaign, add your contacts, and then send bulk emails. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.